So this will cultiplant. This was on a 6-row planter. This is a Midwest cultiplanter, Harrow. You put all your stuff on there off your planter, and basically it runs right in front of your planter to make a nicer seed bed. Usually people will take their tongue and it bolts in there, and then your tongue end goes in the end of this for the actual hitch. So if it's a 6-row 7,000 planter, we actually took it off. They didn't want it on there. And you're going to buy it absolute on Tractor House Auction. It does have a non-factory weld right here. But these are hard to find. They do a nice job. Some people just don't want them out front, but when they do, people brag about the job they do. It was on a conventional planter, so the ground was worked ahead of it. But I think this actually measures just shy of 15 foot when this unfolds right here on each side, the wing does. So just by hand.